Hi, hello, welcome back to Home School. Today we are going to continue Mathematics Model Question Paper for Class 10, which is released by Karnataka State Board for the academic year 2023-24. In our first part, I have completed 3 mains. Now today in this session, we are going to continue from the 4th main. In this main, you will be having 9 problems. Each carries 3 marks. 9 3s are 27 marks. And the numbering starts from 25. 25th one, divide P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 by g of x square minus 1 and find the quotient and remainder. Divide the polynomial P of x by g of x and find q of x and r of x. Let us start division here. Observe the powers carefully. Is there any power missing? Yes. That is cubed power is not there. So let me write it with x power 4 plus 0 into x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Whereas for the divisor, observe again here powers 2 there, 0 there, but 1 is missing. So for that sake, we need to write x square plus 0 into x minus 1. Start dividing. Dividend first term by divisor first term. What you are going to get? X power 4 by x square. Cancel. It will be x square. With x square, multiply divisor. X square into x square will be x power 4 plus into plus plus 0 into anything is 0. Instead of writing simply 0, I just write with x cube. 0 into x cube, anyhow it is 0. Now plus into minus, minus x square into 1, x square. Both are having same sign. So we need to subtract, change sign, then only you can cancel. X power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. And anyhow this is 0. Now we are left with minus 3 plus 1. Minus 3 plus 1 will be minus 2x square. Here we need to drag 2 terms because in divisor we have 3 terms. So drag at a time. Plus 4x plus 5. Now again minus 2x square by x square. Cancel. What you are going to left? Minus 2. With minus 2 multiply again. Minus into plus minus. 2 into x square is 2x square. Minus into plus minus. 0 into anything is 0. So let me write with 0 into x. Minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2. Now again having same signs we cannot cancel. So subtract, change sign. Now it cancels. Minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel. 4x plus 0x, that is 4x plus 5 minus 2. 4x plus 3. That's it. So therefore, what you are going to write? Quotient q of x is equal to x square minus 2. Remainder r of x is equal to 4x plus 3. In this you have one more OR question. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder are x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Given this is a polynomial p of x. If it is divided by g of x, we are going to get a quotient and remainder. We don't know what is g of x. We need to calculate that. So we know the relation p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. They did not give it as a p of x. We have to assume it. And now we need to find g of x. Rearrange this. G of x equal to, make a move p of x and bring r of x this side, minus r of x. And this multiple, if it comes other side, it will be divided. Now rearrange again. G of x is equal to p of x minus r of x by q of x. Substitute the values. What you know? P of x value is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus remainder. You are having minus sign. So take it in brackets. Minus 2x plus 4 whole divided by q of x. Q of x value is x minus 2. Now remove it from brackets. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus into minus plus 2x minus into plus minus 4 into 1 will be 4 by x minus 2. Again simplify this. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2x will be plus 3x plus 2 minus 4 minus 2 whole divided by x minus 2. I didn't get the value of g of x. Still we need to do something. That is, if you divide, we are going to get g of x value. Divide them. Observe the powers. Is there anything missing? No. So directly take them. X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 x minus 2. Now this one, x cube by x, if you divide, you are going to left with x square. With x square multiply. X square into x is x cube. Minus into plus minus 2 into x square will be 2x square. Same sign. So subtract the two equations. Now x cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 3 plus 2 will be minus x square. Plus drag only one term down. Because here you have only two terms. So we need to take only 2. Now minus x square by x will be minus x. With minus x multiply. Minus x square. Minus into minus plus 2 into x is 2x. Now again change sign. That means subtract. 3x minus 2x is x. Drag this minus 2 down. And again x by x is 1 plus 1. With 1 if you multiply, it will be x minus 2. So therefore, we got the remainder 0. And what we got the quotient, it is not q of x value. The quotient is what? If you divide these two, the quotient what you get is the value of g of x. Therefore, finally g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. 26th problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 20 meter more than the shortest side of it. If the shortest side is 10 meter less than the longer side, then find the sides of the rectangular field. Read the question carefully, understand, and then start doing the problem. First line again. ABCD is a rectangle. Let me assume ABCD as a rectangle. Here we are talking about diagonal. I have drawn one diagonal AC. Now, the diagonal of a rectangular field is 20 meters more than the shorter side. More than means plus 20. Shorter side here is breadth. 20 meters more than shorter side. So let's see the next point. Do we know shorter side? If the shorter side is 10 meters less than the longer side. Shorter side is what? 10 meters less means minus 10. Less than what? Longer side. Here we don't know longer side. So first we should assume longer side. You need to write this with verbal statements, children. I am doing little short. DC is the length. So you can write DC is the length. Let us assume this length as x meters. Okay. Now read the second point again. Breadth is 10 meters less than the longer side. Longer side is x. So breadth is x minus 10 meters. Now diagonal. The length of the diagonal is 20 more than the shorter side. What is shorter side here? X minus 10 more than shorter side. How much more than? 20 more than shorter side. Simplify this. X minus 10 plus 20. It will be x plus 10. Now what is the length of the diagonal here? X plus 10 meters. Breadth x minus 10 meters. Length x meters. Rectangle, all angles are perpendicular. We need to find the sides of the rectangular field. That means length and breadth. So you can write neatly, breadth is equal to x minus 10 meters. Diagonal is equal to x minus 10 plus 20, that is x plus 10 meters. How can we find this? You can see a right angled triangle. In right angled triangle ADC, apply Pythagoras formula. AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Breadth I am assuming here AD, diagonal AC. Now substitute AC value, AD value, DC value. AC is x plus 10 whole square. AD x minus 10 whole square plus x square. DC value is x. A plus B whole square here and here A minus B whole square formula. X square plus 2 into AB, that is 2 into x into 10 will be 20x plus 10 tens are 100 is equal to x square minus 2 into x into 20, that is 20x plus 10 tens are 100 plus x square. 1x square and this side x square will be cancelled. Any one you can cancel, either this or that. Right? Now again I will cancel 100, 100 and plus 20 minus 20 you cannot cancel. Now x square is positive. So bring that term also this side, that is plus 20x this side. Minus 20x is equal to 0. That is x square minus 40x is equal to 0. Rewrite here x square minus 40x is equal to 0. Now from these two take out x common. X into x minus 40 equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x minus 40 equal to 0. That is minus 40. If you send other side it will be plus 40. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 40. See here length cannot be 0. So your answer is 40 meters. Therefore length is equal to 40 meters and breadth is equal to, what is breadth here? X minus 10. That means 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 meters. Therefore, the length and breadth of a rectangular field is 40 meters and 30 meters. 27th one, find the area of a triangle PQR whose vertices are P1, 6, Q3, 2 and R10, 8. We need to find the area of a triangle PQR. You can see the coordinates. First, let me mark the coordinates. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Area of a triangle PQR. Formula is half of square bracket x1 into, easy to write the formula, x1 into bracket x2 into bracket plus x3 into bracket. Okay, and right here y2 minus y3, y3 minus y1, y1 minus y2. Now substitute these values. 1 by 2 into x1, 1 into, plus x2, 3 into. You can put in middle minus also. x3, 10 into. You don't get mistake if you do directly like this. Now y2 value is 2. y3 value 8. y3 value is 8. y1 value is 6. y1 value is 6, y2 value is 2. Half of 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 1, minus 6, plus 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 3s are 6, plus 10 into 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 10s are 40. Directly I have written. And now half of minus 6 plus 6 cancel into 40. 2 20s are. So therefore, what is area of triangle PQR? 20 square units. In this we have one more OR question. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle whose vertices are A1, 4, B, minus 2, minus 2, C, 4, minus 2. If AD is median to BC, AD is median to BC. Median, that means midpoint. D is a midpoint of BC. Now, find the length of AD. What is this length is your question. If you know D coordinate, you can find the length of AD by using distance formula. Can we find D coordinate? By applying midpoint formula, you can find. So, if you want to find this D value, apply the formula. Let me assume B coordinate as x1, y1, C coordinate as x2, y2. Midpoint formula in order to get D coordinate is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 value is minus 2, x2 value is 4 by 2, y1 value is minus 2, y2 value is plus of minus 2. y2 value is minus 2. In formula you have plus sign. Now next, minus 2 plus 4 will be 4 minus 2, that is 2, 2 by 2, minus 2 plus into minus, minus 2 by 2. In next step 2 ones and this is minus 4 by 2. That will be 1, minus 2 is midpoint. So D coordinate is what? 1, minus 2. Now if you know D coordinate, you can find the length of AD. What is the length of AD? Distance formula apply here. AD length is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now observe here, you may think x1, y1, x2, y2 already I have taken. But now for this distance, you please don't take this x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now again, let me assume A coordinate 1, 4 as x1, y1 and D coordinate 1, -2 as x2, y2. Right? Now applying this, x2 value is 1 minus x1 value is 1 whole square plus y2 value is -2, y1 value is 4, that is -4 whole square. 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 whole square is 0 plus -2 minus 4 is -6 whole square, that is minus into minus plus 6 6 36, 0 plus 36 is 36, square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, AD is equal to, length of AD is equal to 6 units. 28th one, find the mean for the distribution given below. You can see the distribution table over there. Class interval and frequency given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And the frequency is 4, 6, 17, 13, 7, 3. Find mean. Mean by any of the three methods you can choose. I am going to choose here direct method. Mean by direct method. First let us write the formula. Mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi by summation fi. Summation fi xi by summation fi. We have fi. Where is xi? Xi is the class mark. Find xi. Xi lower limit plus upper limit by 2, you are going to get class mark. 0 plus 10, 10, 10 by 2 will be 5. Similarly, you are going to get 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. Fi xi, take another column and multiply fi xi. Multiply these two. 4 5s are 20. 6 into 15. 15 6 are 90. 17 into 25. Let us multiply here. That is 7 5s 35. 7 2s are 14. 17. 25 1s are 25. That is 425. Now 13 into 35. 35 into 13. 3 5s are 15. 9 10. 35. That will be 455. Now 7 into 45. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3. 31. 3 into 55. 165. Now add this. Add all this. Summation fi xi is equal to. Add all this. 5 plus 5 10 15 20. Take 2 here. 8 9 14 16 25 27. 2 3 6 10 14. 1470. And we need summation fi. Add all this. Summation fi is equal to 4 plus 6 10 27 40 50. Now substitute these values. 1470 by 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 2s are 10. 4 left 47. 5 9s are 45. And here 2 left, put a point 20. 5 4s are 20. Therefore, finally what is your mean answer? 29.4. In this you have one more OR question. You can see the table here. Find the mode for the following data. In order to calculate mode, you need to observe the highest frequency and write the model class. See here, where is the highest frequency here? 15. So you can round up. Therefore, model class is 15 to 20. And what is the mode formula? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here you need to write compulsory bracket, otherwise you will divide, add and then you will multiply, then your problem goes wrong. Be careful when you are applying in formula. After applying the values, first you do division, then do multiplication, later this answer you add. Okay. So now by seeing model class, you need to find F0, F1, F2. This is F0, this is F1 and this is F2. Lower limit in the model class, that is L is equal to 15 and H is the class size. H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, that is 5. So we got all the values. Let us substitute. L is equal to 15 plus F1 is 15 minus F0 13 by 2 into F1 is 15 minus F0 is 13 minus F2 7 into H, it is 5. Now this is equal to 15 plus 15 minus 13 will be 2. Right? 15 2s are 30 minus 13 minus 7 will be minus 20 into 5. 15 plus 2 by 30 minus 20 will be 10 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 1 will be there here. And again here 5 1s are 5. 1 into 1 will be 1. 15 plus 1, that is equal to 16. Therefore, what is your mode value? 16. 29th problem. The following table gives production yield per hectare of paddy of 100 farms of a village. Draw a more than type ogive for the given data. You can see the table over there. Observe the data. Production yield in kg or hectare. Number of farms, cumulative frequency. Here in this, they have given 50 or more than 50. Don't be confused. You can understand it is as a more than type ogive and directly table given. You need to just draw the graph. More than type cumulative frequency curve you have to draw. Okay. So already cumulative frequency also there. So directly you take your graph sheet and on x-axis you just take production yield. Production yield you can write, and on y-axis cumulative frequency. And you are going to take here 50, 55, 60, 65. Just compress the graph here with a symbol. And now on y-axis, I think you need up to 100. So better you can go with the 10, 20 scale or 5, 10, 15, 20 like that you can take and write the scale here. Yeah, more than type ogive will be from top to like this, you will get a S curve. Okay. 30th problem, in the figure, angle BAC. Angle BAC means this angle. Angle BAC is equal to angle ADB. That means angle ADB. This angle is equal to this angle given. So BC is equal to 8 centimeter. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. BC 8 centimeter, AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle ABD is equal to 16 by 9. Problem is very easy. When you are able to identify the two triangles and prove similarity, you can apply area's theorem and get the answer. Suppose if you are unable to identify the figure, just in a rough column, draw the figure like this. A, B, C is a big triangle, you can see. Now this triangle, just lift this D and keep it here. How you can see? This is D, right? In the same manner, draw beside one more baby triangle. D, what the base you have? B, A. Now this angle is equal to this angle given, right? If you are able to identify in the same figure, directly you can identify. So now I have drawn side by side. Observe these two triangles. Angle A is equal to angle D. Already I can write this data in triangle ABC and triangle BDA. These two angles are equal by given data. And now angle B. Here it is separate, but on this triangle, those two triangles are emerging from the same angle. So what I can write here? Angle ABC is equal to angle DBA. That is, reason is common. Okay. If two corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then the two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDA by angle similarity criteria. Now, these two triangles are similar and something given here. BA is what? 6 cm and BC is what? 8 cm. We need to prove the area of this triangle by area of this triangle is equal to 16 by 9 itself. These two triangles are similar. Apply area's theorem. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BDA is what? Corresponding side ratio square. That means 8 by 6 whole square. 8 8s are 64. 6 6 are 36. Now cancel this one. What are you going to get? 4 16s are 4 9s are. That is 16 by 9 is your answer. Hence it is proved. Area of triangle ABC by area of triangle BDA is equal to 16 by 9. 31st one, prove that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is a direct theorem from circles chapter. I think you can write this. So let's move to 32nd. And this is also a construction. Roughly I am going to show you. You do with your construction tools. Construct a triangle. Construct a triangle with the sides 5 cm, 6 cm and 9 cm. And then construct another triangle whose sides are in the ratio 2:3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So how do you do this construction? Let me take a line segment of length 9 centimeters and then mark it as AB. From A as a point, either 5 or 6, your wish, anything you can take. Let me take here 5 centimeters an arc. From B, 6 centimeters an arc. Join. This is 6 centimeter and this is 5. Just rough construction this is, right? Now, in 2:3 ratio, you need to draw another triangle. So, in order to draw this, you need to draw a ray from A which is acute. And how many arcs you need to draw? 3 arcs. 1, 2, 3. Mark them as A1, A2, A3. Denominator, what you have? 3. From A3, join B with a scale. And next, numerator, what you have? 2. So, from 2, draw a free arc. Again, from A3, draw the arc. Measure this arc length. Cut the arc and then extend. Let me mark this point as B dash. So now from here again same process continues. Arc, arc, measure, cut and now join and extend. mark this as a C and this will be C dash. So where is your new triangle? This is your new triangle. Finally write some 4 to 5 steps and given data you write there, and finally you need to write A, B dash, C dash is a required triangle such that triangle ABC is similar to triangle A, B dash, C dash. 33rd one. In the figure, O is the center of the circle of radius 5 cm and APB is an equilateral triangle of side 8 cm. AP and BP are tangents. Find the area of the shaded region. You can see the figure there carefully. O is the center of a circle. OA and OB are the radius of a circle. P is external point. AP and PB are the tangents. And APB is a equilateral triangle. Find the area of the shaded region. How can we find this shaded region? So first let me write what is given. Given OA is a radius, OA is equal to 5 cm. And we can write AP and PB are tangents to a circle. Right? And next, what all given? APB is an equilateral triangle. Okay. And AP is equal to 8 centimeters given. We can write AB is also 8 centimeter, BP is also 8 centimeter. How can I get this shaded region area? Observe the figure carefully. By equilateral triangle, I got AB is equal to 8 centimeters. Right? You can write here AP is equal to AB is equal to BP is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. Now, forget about this part and this part. Just observe this. It is a sector. In this area of a sector, if you are able to subtract this triangle area, you will get the shaded region. In order to apply sector formula, do you know the angle? No, we don't know. But we have a hint there. Observe the problem. Equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. All angles are also equal. Then each angle will be 60 degree. This is 60 and here 60, 60. And from here to here it is 90. But only up to here it is 60 degree. Right? Now, in a quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is 180. That means, angle O plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. I need angle O. That is 180 minus angle P is 60. Send that side. 180 minus 60 is 120 degree. Now, the central angle here, this angle is 120. Okay. Now, directly you can take the formula. Area of shaded region is equal to. Area of shaded region is equal to. What is the formula? Area of sector. Area of sector OAB. This complete sector minus area of triangle AOB. Area of a sector OAB minus area of a triangle will give you the area of shaded region. That is, area of a sector formula, theta by 360 degree into pi r square minus area of a triangle formula, half into base. Observe the triangle base. I'll take it as AB. And what is the height? I don't have height. So take a perpendicular. Okay, and mark this as C. And right here OC is the height. Theta value is 120. 120 by 360 degree into pi value 22 by 7. And radius is 5, 5 5 is 25. You can write directly. half into AB, we know it as 8. Then what about OC? OC we don't know. From center, any perpendicular drawn to a chord divides the chord equally. Equally means 8 and AC is 4 centimeter. CB is also 4 centimeters. The chord is divided equally. So now consider only the small triangle in order to get OC. Consider the right triangle OCA. Apply Pythagoras formula. OA square is equal to OC square plus CA square. Rewrite this in order to find OC. OC square is equal to OA is 5 whole square. CA bring this side, that is minus 4 whole square. 5 5s are 25 minus 4 4s are 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. OC square is 9. OC square root of 9, that is 3 centimeters. Now I got height of a triangle is 3 centimeter. Substitute here. 123 is 360. And now you cannot cancel here. Here 2 4s are 8. And now this one will be 22 into 25 by 7 3s are 21 minus 4 3s are 12. 22 into 25, that will be 25 2s are 50, 550 this will be. Do LCM minus 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 25, 252 by 21. 550 minus 252, that will be 298 divided by 21. Now cancel. 21 1s are 21. 8 left, 88. 21 4s are 84. Put a point. 4 will be left, put a point. So 40. 21 1s are 21. 40 minus 21, it will be 19. So 190. 190 means 14 9s, it will be 189. So let's stop here. So your answer is 14.19 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region. In this we have one more OR question. ABCD is a rectangle and APB is a semicircle. You can see over the figure, ABCD is a rectangle and APB is a semicircle as shown in the figure. The length BC of the rectangle is 3 times the radius of the semicircle. So, radius means half of AB is radius. Okay, what is length? Length BC is radius. Radius means AB by 2 is the radius. Let me read the point again. The length BC of the rectangle is 3 times the radius of the semicircle. 3 times means 3 into radius is AB by 2 of a semicircle. And next point. The total area of the figure APBCDA area is 371 centimeter square. Given area of the figure APBCD is equal to 371 centimeter square. Then find the length of semicircular arc. We need to find the length of the semicircular arc. That means APB length we need to calculate. How can we solve this problem? Observe the figure carefully. Complete figure area given. And length is 3 times the radius said. 3 times the radius of a semicircle. That hint is enough. So first let me go with this one, that is area. Area of figure APBCD is equal to 371 centimeter square. Now this figure is divided into two figures. What are those? One is area of rectangle plus another figure is semicircle. Area of semicircle is equal to 371. Area of a rectangle formula is length into breadth. BC is length set. So let me take that one only. BC into breadth AB. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth formula. Next, area of a semicircle formula, pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. R is AB. R is square. AB by 2 whole square. Radius. Don't be confused here. Diameter is AB, that is breadth, and radius means AB by 2. Okay. Formula area of a semicircle is pi r square by 2. Pi r square, okay. By 2 I can write here, into 1 by 2 I will write, is equal to 371. Now BC value given as 3 AB by 2 into AB plus pi value 22 by 7 into AB by 2 whole square, AB square by 2 2s are 4 into 1 by 2. Here 2 11s are, you can cancel. This equal to 371. This one 3 AB into AB will be AB square by 2 plus 11 into AB square is 11 AB square by 7 4s are 28 is equal to 371. Do LCM here. 28 is LCM. 2 table where you get 28, 14. That 14 multiply here. 14 3s are 42 AB square plus 11 AB square is equal to 371. Okay. Now this one, let me complete the problem here. 42 plus 11 will be 53. AB square is equal to, this denominator send other side, 371 into 28. AB square is equal to 371 into 28 by 53. I think it is 53 sevens. Just check it out. 7 3s are 21, 35. Yes, 53 sevens are 371. 7 into 28, that will be 196. AB square is equal to 196. AB is equal to, apply square root, it will be AB is equal to 14 centimeters. What we got here is diameter. Diameter of a semicircle, that is breadth, is 14 centimeter. Now we need to calculate the length of the semicircular arc. That means if AB is diameter 14 centimeter, then radius is equal to AB by 2 is equal to 14 by 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. So what is the radius here? 7 centimeter. Now finally, length of the arc APB is equal to, what is the formula? Length of the arc is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Now what is theta? Do we know theta angle? Yes, It is a straight angle. So the value is 180 degree. 180 by 360 degree into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7. 7 7 cancel. 180 2s are 360 and this 2 cancel. You are left with 22 centimeters is your final answer. Therefore, what is the length of the semicircular arc? 22 centimeters. With this, we are going to complete our 4 mains. We are going to start with the 5th main. Answer the following questions. In this, you will be having 4 questions. Each carries 4 marks. So, 4 4s are 16 marks. 34th one. Find the solutions of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. And the equations are x plus y is equal to 4 and another is 2x plus y is equal to 7. Right? Solve this problem in graph sheet. So just let me go with the rough method. First consider the 2 equations, mark it 1, mark it 2. Rearrange the equations in y form. That is y is equal to 4 minus x. And here y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Take a table. Such a way it should have 3 rows and minimum 4 columns. And this side also 3 rows and 4 columns. So if the lines are intersecting, you need that coordinate value. In order to get the solutions of the 2 equations, x value is this and y value is this. Suppose if you take any other numbers, if your lines are not intersecting graphically, make sure to think another next number and continue your line. Make on 2 more 3 columns extra by taking another numbers and try to extend your line to intersect. If you have any problem with this method, I just give you easy trick. First solve the 2 equations, roughly find the x value. If you solve these 2 equations, what you are going to get? 2x plus y is equal to 7, x plus y equal to 4. That means elimination method I am doing here, cancel. X is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3. Right? Now write that 3 in middle box and write here x, y, x comma y, x, y, x comma y. Right? 3 before one number, 3 after one number here. If you want, you can take any other numbers also you can take. No problem. Suppose if x is equal to 0, what happens? Y is equal to 4 minus 0, that is 4. The same manner, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 minus 3, that will be 1. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 4, that will be 0. So your coordinates are 0, 4, 3, 1, 4, 0. Right? Now next one. In the same manner, if x is equal to 1, take the equation y is equal to 7 minus 2x. Substitute 7 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. 1, 5. Suppose if we take x is equal to 3, what happens? 7 minus 2 into 3 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. This is 3, 1. And next x is equal to what we have taken here? 5. Y is equal to 7 minus 2 into 5, that is 7 minus 10 will be minus 3. 5, minus 3. Now try to plot this in a graph sheet, just a rough graph I am showing here. Observe a x scale, I think it is only 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this side negative scale, right? And y value up to minus 3 you want. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And don't forget to write the scale here children, you need to write. So what are the coordinates? 0, 4 here. 3, 1 and 4, 0. Yes, you will get a line like this. Mark this. Don't forget to write the coordinate and write the equation. Scale compulsory. Okay. And now another table, what you are going to get? 1, 5. So here 3, 1 and 5, -3. So like this you are going to get another line. So line, put it with arrow marks. The coordinates you need to write and write the equation. Finally, the two lines are intersecting at a point. From that point, do a perpendicular towards x-axis and y-axis. And right here x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 are the solutions graphically. And in this rule sheet, you write down below the two pair of linear equations. When solved graphically, the lines are intersecting at coordinate 3, 1 where x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Is this clear? Do it neatly in your graph sheet. 35th problem. There are 20 terms in an arithmetic progression. How many terms? 20 terms. That means immediately I can write n is equal to 20. There are 20 terms. That means n is equal to 20. The sum of the first term and sixth term of the progression is 0. The sum of the, while you are reading, immediately you remember Sn. Read complete line and then come to know whether it is Sn or plus. The sum of the first term and sixth term. That means it's not Sn, it is plus symbol. The sum of first term means A1 and sixth term, that means A6 is equal to 0. And the next line, the fourth and fifth terms of the progression are 2 and 6 respectively. So what is given? Fourth and fifth term and given, that means fourth and fifth term are 2 and 6 respectively. That means A4 is equal to 2, A5 is equal to 6. Find the arithmetic progression. What we need to find? Arithmetic progression and find which term of the progression is 62. Which term is 62 means, let me assume it as an is equal to 62. Find this n value. There are 20 terms given, that is different, and this is which term you are calculating, that n value you need to find. There are two sub questions in this problem. So first line, A1 plus A6 equal to 0 given. You can rewrite this. How can you rewrite? A1, write in general form A. A6 can be written as A plus 5D is equal to 0. A plus A will be 2A. 2A plus 5D equal to 0. Mark it first equation. Now next one. A4 is equal to 2. A4 is nothing but A plus 3D equal to 2. A5 is equal to 6. A5 means A plus 4D is equal to 6. Okay. Now simplify these two equations. Solve it by elimination method. Both are having same sign. Subtract and change sign. A minus A cancel. 3D minus 4D will be minus D. 2 minus 6 will be minus 4. Minus minus cancel, D is equal to 4. Therefore, we got common difference. In order to find arithmetic progression, we should know A and D. Substitute this D value in any one of the equation. That means, let me take this as second equation and this as third equation. D value substitute. D is equal to 4 in equation 2. Right? A plus 3D is equal to 2. A plus 3 into 4 equal to 2. A plus 12 is equal to 2. A is equal to 12 send other side, 2 minus 12. A is equal to minus 10. Now I got first term and the common difference. Can we find arithmetic progression? Yes. The arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, so on. So first substitute A value is minus 10 and here minus 10 plus D value is 4. And now this one minus 10 plus 2 into 4, so on, right? Minus 10 plus 4 will be minus 6, minus 10 plus 8 will be minus 2, right? So on. This is your arithmetic progression. Our problem is not completed. Still we need to find. What is that? Which term is 62? Now consider that an is equal to 62. We know that a is equal to minus 10, d is equal to 4. Write the nth term formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An value is 62, a value is minus 10 plus n minus 1 into 4. Minus 10 bring this side, 62 plus 10 is equal to, multiply brackets, 4n minus 4. 62 plus 10 will be 72, minus 4 if you send other side plus 4. 76 is equal to 4n, n is equal to 76 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 36, 4 nines are 36. Therefore, n is equal to 19. Finally, what I can say, 19th term is 62. Therefore, 19th term of the progression is 62. 36th problem. A man standing at the point A on the building AD observes a car at point C on a straight road from the foot of the building. The car moves 500 meters towards the building and reaches the point B. Now he observes the car from point A. The angle of depression in these cases are complementary to each other. If the car takes 9 minutes to reach the point C to point D at the speed of 100 meters per minute, then find the height of the building. Lengthy question. So let's read one line and understand. A man standing at the point A on the building AD. Observe here, this is a point A. A man, you can see a man here. A man is standing on the top of a building at a point A. AD is a building. Observes, what does he do? He is observing. He observes a car at point C. You can see a car here. Car at point C. On a straight road from the foot of the building. This is a straight road from the foot of a building. The car moves 500 meter. Car moving from point C to 500 meters to a point B. Towards the building and reaches the point B. From here to here, what is the distance? 500 meter. Now car is at here. Now he observes the car from point A. Again he observes from point A. The car is at B position. The angle of depression in these cases are complementary to each other. So what is the word you should understand here? The angle of depressions are complementary. First the car is here. So there is some angle, right? And now the car is at B position. Again you can see angle of depression. So I don't know both the angles. Let me assume this as theta and this angle is 90 minus theta from here to here. These two angles are complementary means what? The sum of the two angles is 90 degree. And if the car takes 9 minutes to reach from point C to point D. So what is the time taken here? It takes 9 minutes to reach from point C to point D at the speed of 100 meters per minute. What is the speed given? 100 meters per minute. Then find the height of the building. We should find the height of the building. And we know that building is perpendicular and it is 90 degree. Okay. So, how can I find this height? This depression angle, this horizontal line and this line will be parallel. So, you can rewrite this depression angle into angle of elevation. How? See, observe here. The angle here what you have is theta. Make it alternate. This angle will be theta. And now from here 90 minus theta. This line, make this as 90 degree minus theta. Okay. Now, you know BC. You don't know DC or you don't know DB. To apply trigonometric ratio, we need DB and DC. So, time is 9 minutes, speed is 100 meters per minute. So, by seeing this, I remember something. That is, speed is equal to distance by time. Do you know from here to here, distance? Don't know. So, in order to find distance, you multiply speed into time. Speed is 100 meters per minute and time is 9 minutes. That is, 9 into 100 will be 900 meters is the distance. Yes, now the problem is very simple. Okay, if you are able to find this distance, problem is over. Now, in right angled triangle, let me take ADC. What ratio we are going to take? Opposite by adjacent. Tan. Let me take tan, angle is theta, is equal to opposite AD by adjacent DC. Now substitute here, tan theta is equal to, we don't know AD, AD by DC value. Now we got what is the DC distance? 900. Right? So now next another right triangle you take. Let me stop there. In right triangle ADB, apply again tan 90 degree minus theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, that is DB. What is tan 90 minus theta? It will be cot theta. AD by DB value is, we know DC length is 900, BC is 500. 900 subtract 500, then the DB distance is 400 meters. Substitute that one here, AD by 400. Right? Now multiply both the equations, or just you can write cot theta as 1 by tan theta and you can substitute, anything is okay. So let me multiply tan theta into cot theta is equal to AD by 900 into AD by 400, right? Tan theta into cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta is equal to AD into AD square by 900 into 400, 3640, right? Tan theta cancel. AD square is equal to 3640. AD is equal to square root of this. That is AD is equal to 600 meters. Therefore, finally, what is the height of the building? Height of the building AD is equal to 600 meters. In this, you have one more OR problem. Let's see the question. In triangle ABC, you can see the figure over here. AD is perpendicular to BC and angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. And BC is equal to, from here to here it is 36 centimeter. Find the measure of AB, AD and AC. Okay, let me take here DC as X. Okay, now what is BD? 36 minus X. Total length is 36. 36 minus X we can take. Now you can see a right triangle and an angle is given. Now can you apply trigonometry? Yes, we can apply. So first in right triangle ADB. Now in this ADB triangle, let's go with the tan ratio. Angle is 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite AD by BD. Right, tan 60 value is root 3. I don't know AD. BD value is 36 minus X. So therefore AD is equal to root 3 into 36 minus X. Okay, stop it. Further we cannot do. Now go with another right triangle. In right triangle ADC, angle is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite AD by DC. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. AD we don't know. DC value is X. AD is equal to X by root 3. Now equate these two. AD is same. Equate these two. That is X by root 3 is equal to root 3 into 36 minus X. Okay. Send this root 3 other side. X is equal to root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3 into 36 minus X. X is equal to 108 minus 3x. Bring that minus 3x this side. 3x plus x is equal to 108. 4x is equal to 108. X is equal to 108 by 4. That is x is equal to 27. So what happens here? X is 27 centimeter. X is equal to 27. Let me write here. X is equal to 27 means, what is BD? 36 minus X means 36 minus 27. That will be 9 centimeter. This is 9 and this is 27 centimeter we got. Now we need to find AD, AB and AC. How can we find? If you substitute X value in equation 1 or equation 2, you will get AD. So let me go with this. Substitute X is equal to 27 in equation 1. What happens? AD is equal to root 3 into 36 minus X. That is AD is equal to root 3 into 36 minus 27. That will be 9 root 3 centimeters is AD. Now in order to find AB and AC, observe full triangle ABC 60, 30, 90. That means angle A must be 90 because the interior angle sum will be 180. If this is perpendicular 90 means I remember corollaries of Pythagoras theorem. What is that? AB square is equal to BD into BC. Right? Substitute that. AB square is equal to BD value is 9. 9 into BC value is 36. Multiply this. 9 6 are 54. 9 3s are 27, 32. So AB square is 324. Then what about AB? Apply square root of 324. 18. Therefore, AB is equal to 18 centimeters. And one more, what we have? AC. AC square is equal to CD into BC. What is CD value we got there? X value is 27. into BC is 36. So instead of multiplying this, directly I will apply for square root. Look here. So 9 3s are 27. That means 1 3 will come out here and 1 3 will be there inside. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 36 means 6 will come out. 3 into 6. That is 18 root 3 centimeters is your answer. Therefore, what is the length of AD, AB, AC? That is AD is 9 root 3 centimeters, AB is 18 centimeters, AC is 18 root 3 centimeters. 37th one, prove basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. This is a direct theorem from your triangles chapter. So with this we are going to complete our 5 mains. Last main will be having only one problem, that is 6th main. This one problem carries 5 marks. 5 into 1, 5 marks. 38th one, a test tube is made up of a cylinder and a hemisphere as shown in the figure. If the diameter of the hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter and the total height of the test tube is 17.5 centimeter, then find the curved surface area of the test tube and the quantity of the solution that could be filled in the hemispherical part. So observe the problem carefully. What did they give? Diameter is 3.5 centimeter. Radius 3.5 by 2 centimeter, you can say. Radius of a cylinder and hemisphere both are same. And now total height of the test tube is how much? 17.5 centimeter. First, find the CSA of the test tube. That means CSA of a cylinder plus CSA of a hemisphere formula. And another question what you have? Find the quantity of the solution that could be completely filled in the hemispherical part. That means only this part volume you should find, not complete test tube volume. Okay. Before starting this, we are going to divide the measurements for cylinder separate and hemisphere separate. That means 35 by 2 will be 1.75 centimeters. So radius is 1.75. 1.75 height also you should remove in order to get cylinder height from here to here. Now in order to get cylinder height, we need to subtract in 17.5, subtract 1.75 only up to here, right? That means it will be 15.75 centimeter. CSA of test tube. So write the formula here. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. What is CSA of a cylinder formula? 2 pi RH. CSA of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square. Is there anything common? Observe here, both the radius are same. Height refers to cylinder height. Okay. So radius both are same. So I will take out 2 pi r common. Height of cylinder plus one more r. Substitute the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius. You can write it as 3.5 by 2 you can write, or 1.75. Anything is okay. Height of a cylinder 15.75. Radius 1.75. Here I have taken 1.75. Easy to cancel. Remove this decimal point and put it down. 20. 7 5s are 35. 5 4s are 20. And 2 11s are 2 to cancel. So you are left here with 11 into. Add these two. 15.75 plus 1.75. It will be 0. 17.50 into 11. Decimal point afterwards 0 you can skip. Directly you multiply 11 into 17.5. That will be 175. 192.5 centimeter square. This is the CSA of complete test tube. Now with another question, what is that? Volume of hemisphere. Okay. What is the formula of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Let me substitute here. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Either you may go with 3.5 by 2 or 1.75 set. So let me go with 3.5 by 2. I go with 3 times I will write this. That means r cube. 5 sevens are 5 fourths, 5 7, 5 fourths, 5 7 fourths. It's easy to calculate. 1 7, 1 7 will be cancelled. 2 twos are 2 11s are 2 2 will be cancelled. And you are left with 11 into 49 by 4 fours are 16, 16 into 3. This one 11 into 49, 49, what happens? 539 by 16 threes are 48. Now cancel this. You are going to get 48 ones are 48, 559 again 48 ones are. So 11.229 approximate you can take. Therefore, finally, what is the volume of the hemispherical part in the test tube is 11.229 centimeter cube. Right? And with this, we are going to complete your SSLC model question paper solutions. So try to solve the paper carefully, children. And if you need other question papers of other academic year question papers, 2022 annual paper, supplementary paper, 2020 paper, you can search in description. All the question papers link will be provided. Passing package will be provided and you can go with it. Thorough practice your mathematics. Wish you all good luck.